Hello, and welcome to a demo video on how to make a concentration plot. First, go to the EPA website for air data, as linked here. Then, scroll down to the data visualization tools and select concentration plot. You'll be taken to this page where you can select a pollutant, select the time period, select the geographic area, and then select the monitoring site. This will give you a concentration plot. You can download the data down here. Thank you for watching this demo video on how to create a concentration plot.